Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are making delicious restaurant style pie. It's very tasty guys. Yeah, so as you can see, it's nice and flaky. It's got those light flaky layers that makes it more delicious. So we are making beef steak pie. So here you just sprinkle about half a cup of flour or less to your meat and just turn it around. Make sure that the flour just coat your meat all over. And then I came here with my pot. Then I put oil. Then you come with your meat. Then you fry it up until it turns brown. Then we came here with our onions. Do not worry if your meat gets stuck to your pot. If you don't have a non-stick pan, it's okay. All that goodness will come up once we put water. Just make sure it doesn't get burnt. It can get brown, but it mustn't be burnt. Then here I came with my ginger and garlic and red chili mix that I make it at home. So you can just put ginger and garlic, which is optional. If you don't want to put that, it's okay also. Came with the water here so that my pot doesn't get burnt, just to balance it. Yeah, I was trying to clean it up here. Okay, let's start with the spices. We came with bay leaves, then thyme, just a little bit of thyme, about a half a teaspoon of thyme, and that's black pepper and salt. Guys, I boiled my spices. Yeah, so you can just do according to you. Just don't put too much thyme because it can be overpowering sometimes. Then you come with your soya sauce, and then any barbecue sauce you can use. I use this Jimmy sauce, so you can use any barbecue sauce, or you can use Worcester sauce. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing right. You can use only that also. And then yeah, I came with my water. Then you turn it. Then we are about to close our pot. Yeah, then just to let our meat cook and be nicely soft. Okay guys, then we come with beef flavored cubed, and then we just mix everything nicely and cook up until our meat is completely done. Yeah, but we still want that gravy since we are not making dry pie. Yeah, you'll see at the end you'll still have that gravy, but once you are done making it, you'll see the gravy will have gone down by then when it's cold. Yeah, so here we're starting with our puff pastry. I start by putting my ice in my water because we need that cold water, and we also need to use very cold butter. So here it's 4 cups of flour and 100 grams of butter. I just grated my butter because it was very cold. Yeah, then you just mix it up nicely like that, creating some small flake mixed with your flour, and then came with 1 tablespoon of lemon, and then my water is used. So yeah guys, I was trying to be the professional chef doing like that, and then I made a mess, so that's why you can't see everything that I did. Yeah, and then this is like a workout on its own. Yeah, because the dough is cold because it was done with cold water and cold butter. Yeah, so you just need your dough up until you are satisfied that it is done. Yeah, so here it's my cold from the freezer butter, which is 400 grams of butter. Then I just grated, I cut it off camera like that, and then I grated. Then I came about half a cup of flour, half a cup or more of flour, and then you mix it up like that to make the block again of that same butter. Just mix it up until you form the block of butter again. Yeah, so this is our dough that I had left it to sit for about 30 minutes in my fridge. So now we came with rolling it now. And then that block of butter that we just created mixed with flour, you put it like this. So guys, this is literally a workout. Yeah, so now you just do like that. You roll out your dough, then you fold it like this. You can fold it anyhow you like, or you can just follow as I'm doing. Yeah, the method is just to fold it. So it was off to my fridge. I left it there for 15 minutes and I came back and I did the same method of rolling it, folding it, and back to the fridge for about 5 times. I did the same method. And then you can leave it once you finish, leave it in your fridge for 2 hours. But in my case, I left it overnight. You'll see that at the end, I kind of like made it the following day. You'll see the lighting, it will change also. I made it the following day. Yeah, so it will be best also if you can do like that. It will be okay, but 2 hours is also just perfect for you to leave it. So here I'm doing my 3rd time of rolling it and folding it and back to the fridge. Yes, off to the fridge, and it came back again. This was my last rolling. Okay guys, this is the outcome of my puff pastry dough. Yeah, this was the following day. As I said earlier on that I did leave mine overnight. Yeah, so this is me making it the following day. So I was just separating it so I can work easily. You can make any shapes obviously of your choice, but I decided to do this. Yeah, so from now guys, I think you guys can just follow on everything that I made. I think I've given the recipe. Yeah, I will write it also here something there. I'll write it. This is our curry now. Did you see that when we made this the previous day, it was with gravy? Yeah, so that's why I say if you see it's kind of like more of like with the soupish kind, just let it rest up until it's cold, then you are sure yeah, it's it's the consistency that you like. To get me, don't try to overcook it trying to finish the water and then at the end you find out the water is like it's dry. Yeah, if you are creating something like what I was creating here, guys, these pies were so tasty. If you have eaten steak kidney pies from wherever you buy it, a restaurant or the garage is this side, usually we get pies there. Yeah, and I know there's a lot of people from other countries that watch this. I don't know what they call it. We call it petrol station where they sell food for people who are passing. They usually you'll get pies from there. Yeah, so I'm just talking for those people who are not South Africans. Yeah, but here in South Africa, I'm Zanzis, it's a garage. Like, yeah, that's where you go to fill in your petrol, and then you can also easily, majority of the garages this side, they sell pies. So this is a tasty like those pies, like professional pies. As you can see, the dough is not like, you know, that dough, you know what I mean, the homemade dough. This is like the best flaky layered as you get it if you go to any restaurant. So here you just brush it with your egg wash. This is just one egg that I've poured a little bit of milk, then I mix it. Then I came here with my sesame seeds that I'll be mixing with kalonji seeds. So you can use any seeds of your choice. Yeah, I used to use this, and just to get a bit of some healthiness in my pies. Guys, the pies are not healthy. You guys saw how much butter we've used. Yeah, so it's not healthy but tasty, obviously. Just comfort food. So this was this was my last meat that was left, so I just decided to create that small tray there. Yeah, these were ready to go to my freezer. Yeah, and then the other baking tray is just for now, for presentation, guys, to show you the end result. As you can see, the pies, they're looking delicious, and they were delicious, I must say. Yeah. Okay guys, my video ends here. If it was your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much for clicking in, and please do consider subscribing to this channel. We do all things that are related to mommy life content, and then we just inspire each other, we motivate each other, we uplift each other. I mean, we do better each and every day. We learn and we get better and better. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.